Hello everybody, welcome to GIS Pathshala, Grade 6 Social Science History. Our chapter is the earliest cities, in the earliest cities. Now we have seen in our previous video lecture how the archaeologists found the earliest cities under the ground. See, when the work was going on of the railway line in 1856, the persons, those who have taken the contract, they took all the bricks and all the things and done the construction line. But after that, in 1921, after so many years, the archaeologists found the remains buried under the ground, and they found the Indus Valley civilization. That is, one was the Harappan civilization, and that was excavated under the observation of Dayanand Sahani. After that, in 1922, they found Mohenjo-daro, and that excavation was done under the observation of Rakhaldas Banerjee, R.D. Banerjee. See, Harappan civilization, Dayanand Sahani, and Mohenjo-daro, Rakhaldas Banerjee, R.D. Banerjee was there, who looked after the excavation work of the sites. Now we have to see the architecture work. See, so many years back, I think so about 4700 years ago, all these buildings they found that were of about 4700 years ago. But then also the architecture work was marvelous, genius work the people did at that time. Also presently we found all the modern facilities, but during that time also people were aware of many of the things. Now we are going to see about those things. See, architecture work. The cities are built on the numerous mounds, elevated grounds. Means the mounds were then, and on that the buildings and cities were built. Advanced architecture. See, the architecture work was advanced. Impressive dockyards, granaries, warehouses. Dockyards means where the ship can board. Walled cities, protection from the flood water. Walled cities. Walled city means the city was covered with a wall. One wall they were making around the city. So anytime the flood was coming, the water is not entering. Water was not entering in the city. And they can protect the city from the flood. Well planned street means plan was there. It is not like that the one house was here, one house was there, but very good plan was there. Proper sanitation and drainage system. Sanitation and drainage system means properly the drainage line was there. Whatever the waste water, all things were going, the water was going properly in the drainage system. Backed bricks houses. Houses were used made of the backed bricks means the hard bricks, proper bricks. Well built bathrooms. Wells throughout the city. Remarkable similarity of architecture all over the civilization. The architecture was similar all over the place. No large monumental structures. Any large monumental structures were not there. See, this all architecture work was very impressive and proper. We cannot imagine that during that time also people were so aware and they did all the things well planned. Now we will see further. Way of life. See, an Indus city was made of mud bricks building. It had wall and roads. Water was very important to Indus people, so the builders started by digging wells and laying drains. See, water was very important for the Indus people because during that time people preferred to live near the river, and so that is why they dug the wells properly and laying the drains. Some cities at citadel high on mount. In the citadel were bigger building. Most Indus people did not live in the city at all. Perhaps 9 out of 10 people were farmer and trader who lived in small village. See, this type of way of lifestyle was like this. Now further we will see about the citadel and all the things. See now the town planning. The excavation of the ruins showed the remarkable skill in town planning. So town planning was marvelous. Beautiful town planning was there. The main street and road were set in a line. See, street and roads were properly set in line. इंटरसेक्ट एट राइट एंगल्स. इंटरसेक्ट एट राइट एंगल मीन्स वो एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करते थे, वहाँ पर राइट एंगल पे ही होता था, ऐसे नहीं कि किधर भी क्रॉस हो गया. डिवाइडिंग the city into squares or rectangle blocks. Because of that, the city was divided into square and rectangle box. Suppose in school we are making the school, suppose the classrooms we are making, so properly in line we are making the classrooms, no? So proper lobby is there in the school. Like that, the proper they made the lines, roads and streets. So wherever the roads and streets are intersecting each other, it was making a square or rectangle. Some buildings had lamp post and well, and a proper drainage system. And a proper drainage system was there. प्रॉपरली ड्रेनेज सिस्टम मीन्स घर में जो भी काम होता है उसमें से जो वेस्ट वाटर जाता है, जो गंदा पानी निकलता है, वो प्रॉपरली ड्रेनेज होता है, रोड पे इधर उधर नहीं जाता है. डेट इज द ड्रेनेज सिस्टम which goes into river directly. The waste water was going into the river only. See, town planning, this is the photograph is given. You can see that the squares are there. So like that, the street and roads were intersecting each other at square only. So the town was in the square shape. Now, the cities that were built during this civilization reflects exemplary construction skills. The cities were divided into upper and lower part. The cities were divided into upper and lower part. The part to the west was smaller but higher. See what happens, mostly the part to the west side, whatever the part was there, it was smaller but higher. The upper part was built and it was little bit raised platform. ऊंचा, रेज मीन्स ऊंचा उठा हुआ प्लेटफॉर्म रहता है, विच इज कॉल्ड सिटाडल, विच इज कॉल्ड द सिटाडल. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट डिस्क्राइब दिस एज सिटाडल. तो दिस पार्ट, आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट डिस्क्राइब दिस पार्ट एज द citadel. That was the upper part, little bit at higher level. That part was little bit at the higher level. So archaeologists describe this at the citadel. Generally the part to the east was larger but lower. ईस्ट साइड में जो भी पार्ट था दैट वॉज लार्जर बट लोअर, एंड वेस्ट साइड वॉट एवर द पार्ट वॉज देयर दैट वॉज स्मॉलर बट हायर, एट हायर प्लेस, द लिटिल बिट हाई. So that higher part was considered as the citadel. Now, one of the popular feature of the Harappan civilization is Great Bath. The structure of the swimming pool is the example of higher great engineering. Great Bath means this is a structure like a present days our swimming pool type structure, and this shows the proper skill of the great engineering work, that how during that time also they thought of the swimming pool. The size is 7 meter width and 12 meter long and 3 meter deep. It is broadened by step to enter and exits. See, present days also in swimming pool we are having the steps. So in during that also they made the steps so the person can go in the Great Bath swimming pool. See the picture is given of the Great Bath. One of the largest building was the Great Bath, measuring by 180 feet by 108 feet. The bathing pool, 39 feet long, 28 feet wide, 8 feet depth, was in the center of the quadrangle, surrounds with verandas, rooms and galleries. Quadrangle means square or like that structure, square type structure, rectangle type structure, and the 4 walls are considering other buildings also. Verandas, rooms and galleries. A fleet of steps led to the pool. Fleet of steps means steps were there, continuous steps were there. We are saying the fleet of steps. From the steps, using the steps a person can go down in the pool. The wall of the pool was made of burnt brick laid on edge, which made the pool water light. The Great Bath reflects the engineering genius of these ancient days. This shows this the how the people were, how the engineers did the work and did all these things. After that, drainage system. See, drainage system of Indus Valley civilization was far advanced. The drains were covered with slabs. See, drains were covered with slab. It was not open. Water followed from houses into the street. Drains in every houses. There was a well constructed sink, and the water flow from the sink to underground sewers. See, underground, presently we have the underground pipeline systems like that. This type of system was there during that time. From all the houses, the drains would come out properly. Underground sinks were there and the properly going underground in the street. These elaborate drainage system shows that the Indus Valley people were fully conversant and with the principle of health. Means this shows that people were aware that we should make proper drainage system, otherwise it will make the atmosphere dirty, pollution might be there and it will create the health problem. So properly they made the drainage system, and means this shows that people were aware about their health, that because of this if the drainage system was not proper, it will create a health problem. So proper drainage system was made, and drainage system was considered very good for in this Indus Valley civilization in all over the world. Houses. The houses were of different sizes, varying from palatial building to the one with two small rooms. Palatial building means the spacious, luxurious building जिसमें ज़्यादा फैसिलिटीज होती है, दैट टाइप ऑफ बिल्डिंग. लग्जरियस, स्पेशियस मीन्स बहुत बड़ी स्पेस होती है ऐसा. एंड टू द वन विथ स्मॉल रूम्स मीन्स ऐसे बड़े बिल्डिंग्स भी थे जहाँ बहुत लग्जरियस था, और छोटे बिल्डिंग्स भी थे, रूम्स भी थे, घर थे जहाँ पे स्मॉल रूम्स थे. हाउस हैज़ अ वेल, अ बाथरूम, अ कवर्ड ड्रेन. Building is made of burnt brick which have been preserved for this day. See, house has a well. सभी के घर में क्या होता था? एक well, a bathroom, a covered drain. Covered drain means बंद किया हुआ drain. Open drainage system was not there. And building is made of burnt brick which have been preserved for this day. Burnt brick made the strong building. Houses are built on open courtyard, and some houses are double stories. Double stories means two floors. Just suppose presently we are saying one floor, two floors. So two floor means double story. Houses was cool inside thick wall, keep the area cool. And thick wall were made, so because of the thick wall, inside they were getting the cooling. Inside the house was cool. So all such type of things they were keeping in mind, and they were making that inside the house, how they will make the atmosphere cool. All things they kept in mind, and they made the things. Now, Great Granary. Another large building in the city was the Great Granary, which was made about 45-meter long and 15-meter wide. See, granary means where they have one type of storeroom type, where they are making the storage, doing the storage of food or grain. It meant to store food grains, for food grains. It had lines of circular brick platform for पाउंडिंग ग्रेन. सर्कुलर ब्रिक प्लेटफॉर्म वॉज देयर. सर्कुलर मीन्स राउंड शेप में ब्रिक प्लेटफॉर्म था जहाँ से वो अंदर ग्रेन डाल सके. पाउंडिंग मीन्स डाल सकते हैं ऐसा. देयर वर बैरेक लाइक क्वार्टर्स फॉर वर्कमैन. द ग्रेनरी ऑल्सो हैड स्मॉल होल्स एंड corridors. Granary had small holes and corridors to look inside, and in the barracks the quarters were made for the workmen. Quarter type were made for the workmen, those who were looking after the granary. After that, the assembly hall. An important feature of Mohenjo-daro was its 24 square meter pillared hall. See, that was one pillar hall. It had 5 row in pillars, 5 row of pillars, with 4 pillars in each row. In each row 4 pillars were there. Plain bark bricks were used to construct these pillars. Back bricks were used to construct these pillars. Probably it was the assembly hall. Means they were saying that after looking all these things, they were saying that probably it was the assembly hall, the ruler's court. Who was the ruler? In the ruler's court, it was considered as the assembly hall. It is said that it also housed the municipal office. Means one type of municipal office means administration work was done from there. Means in city, anything they want to do, they were discussing here, and then they were doing the work. Which had the charge of town planning and sanitation. Which had the charge of town planning and sanitation means here all the people were sitting. One ruler was there, or one main person was there who was guiding or was taking the decision for the town planning and sanitation work, and then further they were doing the work. See, this is the picture of assembly hall. Now see, this type of all the basic things were there. Great bath, houses were like that, proper drainage system was there, assembly hall was there, granary was there. All such type of things they found in this Indus Valley civilization. Now such type of civilization you can found in the other places also in the world. So which places were there? Archaeologists have identified Indus Valley near river Indus, Mesopotamian sea civilization near Iraq. See, Mesopotamian sea civilization near Iraq. In Iraq also they found such type of civilization. Nile river for Egypt. In Egypt, near Nile River also they found this type of civilization, and Huangho River civilization in China. In China, near Huangho River also they found the civilization. But from all this civilization, Indus Valley civilization was considered as the best and the very big civilization. So all these four civilizations were there in the world the archaeologists found, and many other things I have explained you in this chapter about the Great Bath and all the. Further, we will say the how the lifestyle of the people, what craft work and what other things they were doing, and then we will see the such type of civilization in Gujarat. Our state is Gujarat, and in Gujarat where we can find such type of civilization, that also we will discuss in the next video lecture. Thank you.